piggies. I've got two fat little piggies, two smart little piggies, two long little piggies, two silly little piggies, and two wee little piggies. Sometimes they're hot little piggies, and sometimes they're cold little piggies. Sometimes they're clean little piggies, and sometimes they're dirty little piggies. Sometimes they are good little piggies, but not at bedtime. That's when they skip down my tummy, dance on my toes, then run away and hide. So I put them together all in a row for two fat kisses, two smart kisses, two long kisses, two silly kisses, and two wee kisses. Good night.